Hey everyone, welcome to the Veiler channel. Today I'll show you what to do if Epic Games Launcher won't start. First, open Task Manager and close all processes related to Epic Games. I don't have any now since I closed them all. If you find any Epic Games process, click it and end the task. Next, type Run in the search bar and open it. Here, enter this command, %appdata%. Then go back to the folder, go to Local, find Epic Games Launcher, enter it, then go to the saved folder and delete the web cache underscore 4430 folder. After that, try launching the launcher. It should work. If not, search for Add or Remove Programs, find Epic Games Launcher and Online Services. Uninstall and try reinstalling it. Click Uninstall. That's it from Veiler. Bye everyone.